Good morning, YouTube. I gotta take my motor out. 5.3 in the El Camino gotta come out. Reason why I gotta come out, because something in the bottom of it and came loose or something, it won't turn over. It'll turn over a little bit, turn over that way. But that's it. So that's why I gotta take it out. Hopefully, when I put it back in, it'll be better than ever. If I get another motor, cool. If I don't get another motor, if I turn this motor over, look in it, and see if I can do the work myself, I'm gonna tag that job. Finna drop the oil. All right, I done went ahead and pulled all the fluids out of it. I went with my radiator, got it out of there. My hose is loose. I drained majority of the fluids from the radiator into that 5-gallon bucket right there. And as you guys see, moss on the floor, so I lost some of it. So I'm gonna try to salvage that. I came and unhooked my power steering pump. Glad to say it's pumping good. Got fluid still up there. I got it zipped off with a zip tie. So when I pull the power steering pump off of it, I can probably set it up and won't lose waste. I'm just doing a step at a time. Last year, July 31st was my birthday. And I purchased this car. So I started on it back then. So I'm just gonna do pieces at a time because I didn't thought that I would be pulling this motor so fast. But something came up, so I gotta do what I gotta do. I'm out. My next part of my motor pull out, I done got my fluids. I'm finna disconnect my manifold so it'll be easier to pull on out, and I'm gonna go on from there. I done went ahead, started on this side, and these bolts right here use a 10 millimeter for the hole your manifold on. I'm working with it. Eventually, I'm gonna have my hood off of this thing. I'm gonna take my intake off of it and be ready to pull it. I'm out. All right. I'm pretty much finalizing day one of the breakdown. Of course, I gotta relocate the car to put it on that side where the barbecue grill at, so I can pull the motor with that chain fall. Now, I'm trying to organize all of my stuff. Just put my intake right there. Got my alternator and power steering pump right there. Got my radiator right there. Probably won't use that, but that antifreeze is what I salvage. Cut you back on again further. All right, we're at day 2. I gotta snatch this motor out. Probably won't get it today. Gotta get some rearrangement of my stuff. All right, I'm about to take my hood off here. Everybody know how to take a hood off that deals with a car. Got 4 bolts right there, right there. I'll be using my eyes can't get it. My eyes won't get it. I'm getting old, YouTube. But This is where we at. Put that on there, take that up, put that up, and get it off. All right, I am back at it. We can only hope that we get this hood off without damaging much of anything. We're gonna rotate it on the hinge. And then we're gonna try to stand it. Just let it slide. Good thing that I gotta paint this car. That's where we at. All right, I'm still working on this pulling of the motor. I had a hiccup. I had to get a better bike to pick it up. Probably still got to get a better bike. But if I can get this car out the way, I'm gonna be good. What I gotta do? Pick up. Pick up and push away.